Hello Cancer and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do your love reading for the months of December. And please keep in mind that these readings are general readings and it may or may not gonna resonate with each one of you. So take what is resonating with you and leave the rest, Cancer. And Cancer, you can also check your other readings on my channel for having more information about your relationship. So let's get started with the reading. Spirits, guides, angels, what does the Cancer person is thinking and feeling about them, please? So we are having here Six of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, Devil, and the Tower. So what are the Cancer feelings towards this person, spirits? So we are having here King of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, the Magician, and the Emperor. So what's the mutual energy? So we are having here 10 of Cups and 2 of Pentacles. On the bottom of the deck, we can see 8 of Swords. So I feel like whoever this person is, this person wants to be with you, but they feel very, very challenged by you because you really trigger them to leave their comfort zone and do something they have never done before and be a better person for you, transform. So things are not that easy for this person because in order to be with you, they will have to leave their comfort zone. Also, I can see with the Four of Swords energy, on the other hand, this person feels like you are taking break from this relationship. You don't really care about them. You don't really want them. You don't really need them. And this is giving them stress and anxiety as well, that you don't really care about them. This is really painful for them to see. They also feel like you are the Queen of Swords. You are very tough. You know, you are... you want to get treated fairly, you know, you want to have commitment, you want to have stability. If they cannot give you that, they cannot take things to the next level. I'm also seeing you could be dealing with any Aries with the Emperor card, could be dealing with any Capricorn with the Devil's card, could be dealing with Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. These are the significant signs I can see there. I can also see this is a karmic relationship with the Devil's energy, like you both are here to give some kind of lessons to each other. And they are also very shocked to see that you're not in their life. This is very, very painful for them to see that you don't really care about them. So right now this person is obsessing over you with the Devil card. This person cannot stop thinking about you. This person is constantly having you on their mind. They also want to have a new beginning with you. I'm seeing that they also want to start this relationship with you from all over again. And but for that, you know, they will have to be a giver. They know that with the Six of Pentacles, they will have to be more giving, more loving, more nurturing. And they were not that giving in this connection. I can also see that. And this is the reason, like, they have lost your love and affection. So it's time for them to be more giving, to be more nurturing, and to be more understanding, if they want to have your love in their life, because otherwise they're gonna lose you. But after having some kind of realization about you with the Tower card, I'm seeing that they're very obsessed. Oh, you know, they're very obsessing over you. They cannot stop thinking about you. So even if they're not doing anything about this connection, they're still obsessed. Like, they're still very focused on you. What I can see here, they're still interested. And in your feelings, I'm seeing that you are holding back. You are taking control of your own life with the Emperor card. You don't really care about them. You don't really want them. And even with the Magician, I'm seeing that you're taking control of your own life. You're so done with this person. You don't really want this person. With the Eight of Cups, I'm also seeing that you're walking away from this connection, leaving this connection, and you are looking for a reliable partner. Like you are looking for a King of Pentacles. You are looking for someone who can give you stability and security in the matter of love. So this is what I'm getting from your energy. Here I can see with the Two of Pentacles, this person was being very, very indecisive, or they could be still indecisive. And this could be the reason like things are not moving forward. But you are very clear about what you want. You want to have 10 of Cups. You want to have family, children, something for a long haul. And you will not take less than that in your life. So let's see what else we have. What else for Cancer? Oh my God. So please be very careful. So with the Five of Swords, they know that they have messed up with you. They have disrespected you. They were not being nice to you. They were being manipulative. So I feel like they're coming back in your life. But they are not coming with the change. They are not coming with any transformation. They want to be with you. They want to do the new beginning because they love when you are with this person and you are giving your love to them. But they don't want to change for you, because with the Seven of Swords, I can see that they are still sneaky. They are still manipulative. You know, they could be coming to manipulate you. So I'm just getting the player vibes from this person. This is a player. Like this player is returning in your life and you need to be very careful. On the bottom, I can say Six of Cups. So this could be someone from your past as well. Like this person is missing you. So that's why they are coming back, but they are a player. And on the other hand, I'm seeing that you are doing a new beginning in your life without this person, which is a very good thing. You are taking a leap of faith. But here I feel like even though they're coming back in your life, you cannot completely trust this person, because they are a player. They're sneaky. They're manipulative. They could be not even having good intentions. They just want to have a new beginning with the Ace of Swords. They just want to have your love. That's why they're coming back. But they are not ready to like be a better person. So that's why I want you to be very careful. Okay. So they cannot stop thinking about you. They're definitely missing you. That's why they want to be with you. And they're also very prideful, very stubborn, very rigid. And this is the reason, you know, they never express you their feelings. But if you're not with them, definitely they feel the pain. They feel heartbroken. And also I feel like they had commitment related issues with you. You wanted to have commitment, but they were not ready for that. But now they feel chemistry with you. Now they feel attracted, and you know, there is a attraction, there is a chemistry. That's why they cannot let go of you. But you know, in order to have a stable relationship with you, they will have to work on themselves and leave their ego and pride. So even if they're coming back, they need to work on themselves, what I'm seeing here. On the bottom, I can see unseen. Love can be blind. Ensure you are not overlooking red flags. So don't ignore the red flags in this connection. Also, I can see this person is actually wishing to be with you. They're wishing to have your love in their life. That's why they're coming back in your life. You are very valuable for them, but they need to change in order to match with your standards. So that's all I have for my Cancer people here. I hope it's resonated with you. If it's resonated, so you can like and subscribe to my channel. God bless you, Cancer, and love you so much. Take care.